Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video I am going to be using the Makartt Blue Polygel Kit. This is going to be a collaboration with TiaBellaBeauty. We are going to be doing gender reveal nails. Some of you may know, some of you may not know. My daughter is pregnant. She is 6 months pregnant. She is having a boy, so I figured I would do the blue and Tia is going to do the pink. So I also want to shout out another company really quick, actually a couple companies. Anyway, this is by the Wicked Pixie Company. It's got the cute little baby boy and the teddy bears and the footprints. And I believe these are water decals. And like I said, it's Wicked Pixie Company. Also, this one is, I don't know if I can say that right. I don't want to butcher the name. But that is the name of her shop, and these are handmade stickers. She's got decals also, tells you how to apply it. There's her card. Look how beautiful. Such a gorgeous card. I love it. So I guess she's on Instagram, so when I use these I can tag her, and her website. I didn't know she had a website either because I found these on Etsy. Here are the stickers. I know it's gonna be really hard to see. It's got baby bottles, pacifiers, it's got the BOY, rattles, baby bottles. It's got a lot, and it's all this color. It's just one color. So you guys know we are gonna go in with the 5XL square by Couture. Make sure that you prep your nails. Prep is the most important step to a nail enhancement. I always say that. But as you guys also know, I pop these nails off when I'm finished. So I'm going to go in with one thin coat of the foil glue. Now it cannot be gel. It has to be a regular foil glue. A lot of people ask me that. One coat all over all your nails. You're just going to let that air dry. You're going to want to prep your tips. Now these are pre-etched, but I always say go ahead and use an e-file and etch the underside where your natural nail plate will go, or use a primer and prime the underside. Alright, so here is the Makartt Blue Polygel Kit. Right now, I believe on Amazon it's like $19.99. So if you'd like to get it on Amazon, you're welcome to. If not, like I said, go to the Makartt website and you can use my 15% off code. So in this kit, you get just what you get in the other small kits. Now, I do want to quickly say they do have larger blue kits, larger pink kits, larger purple kits. Now, these dual forms are really nice. I really like the way they are. I really like the way that they give like a nice curve. Some people don't like that, but I do. I really like them. Here's your slip. That's a 2-in-1 formula. A 2-in-1 formula, you can use it as slip or you can use it to wipe off the inhibition layer. Your 180 grit file, your beautiful blue brush and spatula, your top and base, and your 4 polygels. You always get a clear. So here are all the beautiful blues that you will get, plus the clear. Really nice. Alright, I am outlining my tips to make a nail bed. I'm not great when it comes to drawing lines, so just bear with me. I'm trying to get this as straight as I can. This just really works great. And I always like to give you guys something different, so that's what we're doing. These two are the ones we're going to be using in today's video. So make sure you have enough room for that. I'm going to put that down like so. Take my base, I'm going to apply that on there. And then we're going to start moving that around. There we go. So you want to make sure it goes from one side wall to the other, of course. Keep that C curve in there. You're just going to try and fill in where the nail bed is not. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit of the blue glitter, and I'm going to take a little bit of these like little silver rock. Grab the silver rock, You're gonna press it into the poly gel. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some glitter and we're gonna pat that in the poly gel. Oh my gosh, sorry guys, so sorry, I was out of frame. So I'm just patting the glitter into the poly gel. Pat, pat, pat. Pat and press. And it should look something like that. Make sure that there is nothing going over where you're going to be putting your nail bed. And then go ahead and give that a, you can do a 30-second cure. Just pull that back up if it goes on the nail bed. Clean up the lines a little. And start applying that to the poly gel. Make sure you flatten it down. And cure. Alright y'all, it's time to apply the nails. So what you're going to do, I'm going to put a little bit up here first so I can fill in that nail bed area. So you're going to stay inside the nail bed line that you made. Flipping it over, make sure everything looks nice. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Make sure this is nice and thin, not too thick. Now, because these nails have such a high arch, I'm going to put a little bit more poly gel right here. Smooth it from one side to the other. Make sure it's nice and thin, but that you have enough to apply it to your nail. Now, I didn't show me putting on the base coat, but you're definitely going to want to put base coat on your nails. Give that a 30-second cure. Okay, flip the nail over at 45 degrees, go onto your natural nail, press it down till it gets to your free edge. If you have anything spewing out, I'm going to get that with the file. Alright, I took my little nippers and got the rest of that off the side wall there. And then I flip it over, make sure everything's nice and smooth underneath, and then do a flash cure on that so that it doesn't move. I'll go ahead and fill up this part first. Bring that up to where your nail bed is. Okay, nice and neat. Go from one side to the other. Just like so. Not too thick, not too thin. Go ahead and add a little bit more. Go ahead and smooth that from one side to the other. Flip it, apply it, and cure it. After you've done a full cure, now I'm going to take the Makartt top coat. You're going to encapsulate everything under there. Just want to give it a nice smooth surface so that when you file, your filings don't stick to anything under here. Alright, now go ahead and put it in your light and cure that for 60 seconds. Alright, once that's cured, you're going to go ahead and we're going to wipe off this Sharpie marker. Take some isopropyl alcohol, and you're going to need a few lint-free wipes. I would say one for each nail. You're going to take it and you're just going to take off all of the Sharpie. Okay, not a perfect nail bed, but it'll do. Alright, now I was telling you guys that instead of buffing my surface shine, I'm going to take the primer and we're going to give these nails a sticky surface for the stickers. And this will also pretty much like buff the surface shine. Alright, now I'm going to go get some water for the water decals. Alright, there's our little babies. Put it in the water. Shouldn't take long at all for that to dissolve. Little feet. Those are so cute. Been in there for about 15 seconds. Yep. It's sliding right off. That's a good thing. Now these are transparent, so we're just gonna put them right there. And we're gonna press it down. Make sure you get all the water out of it so it lays nice and flat. There, that worked. That worked good. Alright guys, so if you don't want a whole lot of the stuff around it, you're going to want to go ahead and like cut that out. So I'm just going to cut some more of this plastic because I don't want a whole lot of plastic on there. Alright ladies and gentlemen, this is what it looks like so far with the water decals. I went ahead and put the bear on, the baby, another baby, and the baby feet. Alright, I'm gonna get a little rubber ducky. Tiny little rubber ducky. And we're gonna put the rubber ducky here. Look at that, you guys, a little carriage. Okay, I guess it's gonna stay right there, cause there we go, little carriage. Look at the little onesie, y'all. How stinking adorable. We'll put the little onesie here. B-O-N-Y. Boy. Alright, that does say boy, but I know it's really hard to see. And encapsulate all those water decals and those stickers. Put that right there. Alright guys, I know the teddy bear would look really cute, but because I have a teddy bear, I don't want to cover that up. So I think I am going to use some of these little round, little chunky charms. I'm going to take my rhinestone glue by Makartt. Go ahead and flash cure those in place. I'm going to take my top coat again, and you're going to go ahead and we're going to go around those stones. Make sure they stay on. Go right around them, and actually with the ones, the big ones, the chunky ones, you're going to want to top coat those also. Just go ahead and give those a nice top coat. Cap your free edge. Once you have everything top coated, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. So I'm going to take my Lavender and Coconut by TiaBellaBeauty, rub in that cuticle oil, and here is my baby boy nails, gender reveal nails. Well, it's kind of not like gender reveal because you guys know it's a boy. Can you tell me if it's a girl or a boy? Let me think. But anyway, would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to head on over to TiaBellaBeauty's channel and check out her gender reveal girl video. I know hers is going to come out just as lovely. I absolutely adore her channel and her. She's an amazing lady. So go check her out. Let her know that I sent you if you're not already subscribed to her. And she always does a lot of tips and tricks. So definitely go check her out, guys. Now I gotta show the baby mama. So don't forget, you can go get this blue polygel kit by Makartt. It's a really nice blue kit. They have like every color you can think of in polygels, and I think I've done every single one of them now, except I don't know if I've done the purple one. I know I did the green, the blue, the pink, but I'm not exactly sure. But there you go with Makartt's blue polygel, blue and clear polygel. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. And hope you all have a blessed day. Stay safe. See you in the next video. And thank you to Tia for collaborating with me, girl. I had a great time. Bye, guys.